But this hairline looks so good already. You can't really see the lace. Okay, you can see the lace. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faye. Today I'm back with another synthetic wig install tutorial. You guys seem to really enjoy my last install tutorial, so I decided to do another one for you guys. I know the last one was a burgundy wig install. I'm gonna leave the link up right here if you guys haven't watched it already. But today's look is gonna be this black synthetic wig from Cloud9. It is the Swiss wig what lace hair illusion lace wig. I think that's what it's called. Guys, I am so late to this synthetic wig game. You guys have been messaging me different wigs to try. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want beauty, vlogs, hair, all that good stuff, all right? So this lace is the hairline illusion lace wig. So it comes pre-plucked with a flawless hairline. So I decided to show you guys how it looks without even plucking it, how it looks on my head. It's fresh out the box. So I'm gonna give you guys an initial review and then install it on my head. So let's go. Oh, this is a bit long. I don't even know if this is translating perfectly on camera, but this hairline looks so good already. This is just a close-up of the lace straight from the box. The frontal came pre-plucked and even has a little bit of baby hairs. I can work with this. This wig actually comes with one clip on each side and then one in the back to help secure the wig. If there's one thing that I love about this wig, it's these curls. Like, wow. Do you see that volume? Okay, I'm about to go ahead and tint the lace because I can't bleach the knots because it's synthetic wig. So I'm just gonna tint the lace so it can match closer to my skin tone. Now I'm gonna take my ebon lace tint in medium brown and tint the lace. I found that ever since I sprayed this lace tint, I've gotten a way better color match on my frontal. Oh, but why does it already look kind of natural? Like, obviously you can see the lace, but you can't really see the lace. Okay, you can see the lace. I feel like the lace tinting really helped make it look way more natural. Trying to bring out these baby hairs. So I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace on the sides because it is a bit longer on the sides, so. Here I am just mapping out where I want the frontal to go. One of the worst things is laying your frontal down and realizing it is either too low or way too high on your forehead. I've explained this process a few times in my other install tutorials, but if you haven't checked those out, here I am just spraying a layer of Got To Be on my forehead and then using my fingers to spread it around. I then used my blow dryer to speed up the drying process so I can go back in with another layer. I always try not to press my fingers directly into the lace because any oils from my fingers can create a white cast. So here I am using my rat tail comb to go ahead and press those edges down. I know for me, the air flap always causes me the most trouble, so I make sure to spend extra time on that, ensuring that it is laid down. So here is the lace so far. As you can tell, it isn't giving scalp yet, because some of these edges are still raised, like, no. To lay these down, I go in with a little bit of Got2b all over these areas. I normally do not spray it on my hand like that. I really don't know why I did that, but this method gets the lace melted. Before I actually apply the gel, I like to map out where I want the baby hairs to go. If you've been following my channel, you know I like to spray one last layer of Got2b over my edges so those baby hairs do not move.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay, all I want.
I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching that tutorial. Guys, I am absolutely obsessed. Like, I didn't even have to pluck it or anything. It was so easy. Wow. Is this what I've been missing out with synthetic wigs? Like, I'm obsessed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And also comment below any synthetic wigs that you guys have seen that you guys want me to try. I do have another synthetic wig actually that just came a few days ago. So if you guys want another synthetic wig install, just comment that below. All right, bye guys.